Come on.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Investing with Saran. Today we have an important video for our new series. As I mentioned last week, today will be the day where I introduce the third stock for the Wealthsimple Trade Small Account Growth Challenge. The company that I want to talk about is forecasted to double or even triple within the next 1 to 2 years. The main purpose of this series is to show how a university student without a lot of money, like myself, can build up a nice growth portfolio with a small amount. With that information, let's go into detail into the third stock of this portfolio. The stock that I'm focusing on is H2O Innovation Inc., ticker symbol HEV.V on the TSX market. I currently bought the stock at $2.29 and bought 6 shares of it for our third stock in our small growth challenge. In the rest of the video, I'll be going through a surface level look and explain why I'm adding it to my portfolio. H2O Innovation, explained by their name, is a company that innovates the simple element known as water. H2O Innovation is a complete water solutions company focused on providing the best in-class technologies and services for their customers. Their activities are split within 3 pillars. First is the water and technology services, and this applies membrane technologies and engineering expertise to deliver equipment and services to municipal and industrial waters, as well as wastewater and water reuse customers. The second pillar is specialty products, and this is a set of businesses that manufactures and supplies a complete line of specialty chemicals, consumables, and engineered products for the global water treatment industry. The last pillar is operations and maintenance. This provides contract operations and associated services for the water and wastewater treatment systems. Through this innovation, they strive to simplify water. H2O Innovation provides various different applications for their consumers. They provide solutions for drinking water, wastewater, and water reuse applications in several market segments, including municipal, oil and gas, and food and beverage. As I stated before, there are 3 pillars that H2O Innovation acts upon. When looking at the first pillar, water technologies and services, there are various high-quality products that are integrated into the systems to meet stringent quality and performance criteria. An open-source model allows clients to use multiple membrane products during the life of their water and wastewater treatment systems for maximum flexibility and cost efficiency. In the image displayed here, I'll show you the various high-quality products that are used. Here we have the nanofiltration and the reverse osmosis, ultrafiltration and microfiltration, membrane bioreactor, biowheel, multimedia and greens, sand filtration systems, ion exchangers, ultraviolet disinfection, silo, and the water hub. H2O Innovation has always supported its clients by delivering consumables and replacement parts as required to help customers operate their systems efficiently. These specialty products are proof of that. To be more specific, PWT and Genesis Chemicals offer a complete line of anti-scalants and cleaning chemicals. Specialty coagulants, biocides, and other related products are key components in their successful service program for the customer system. If customers need spares or replacements for their grooved couplings or are simply looking to upgrade to a FRP filter, H2O Innovation has direct access to the entire product line. In addition, they work with all the major membrane manufacturers to provide the best engineered replacement for a customer's membranes in due time. H2O Innovation also provides operational and maintenance services for water treatment systems in North America. For over 20 years in the O&M team, they've been openly and responsibly operating water and wastewater treatment plants, managing public works departments, and maintaining collection and distribution systems. They currently have over 275 facilities under operation across 12 states and 2 Canadian provinces. When they focus on water and wastewater, the solutions include clean drinking water and wastewater treatment management for projects ranging in all sizes, from reverse osmosis to the groundwater and nanofiltration or MBR, SBR, and water reuse. H2O Innovation is also managing and servicing the following types of water projects for municipal and industrial clients. This includes groundwater, surface water, reverse osmosis, ultrafiltration, water reuse, sand filtration, UV, cartridge filters, mining, energy sector camps, MBRs, SBRs, RBCs, activate sludge, lagoons, and autothermal aerobic digestion. When they focus on the water's utilities management, they can also understand that H2O Innovation is committed to technology-driven innovation and environmentally responsible management of the world's precious resources. water. H2O Innovation offers meter reading, billing, and unparalleled customer service for communities in need of utility management services. Finally, when focusing on the public works, we understand that H2O Innovation's public works experience has a long track record of exceeding client benchmarks. They are one of the only private firms to be awarded full accreditation by the American Public Works Association. After going through the company and the product overview, it's important to look at what's behind the whole company. Unlike the last few videos, this time I'll look at the various teams H2O Innovation has been made up of. The diverse group of experts is made up of engineers, scientists, and visionaries with a common goal to positively affect change in their water industry. Within the sales system, David Faber and Ryan Waldy are key vice presidents that have ample experience behind their names. Behind the engineering team, Dennis and Gilbert and Bill Legge are just a few names that are backed by their PhD credential. And finally, with the aftermarket team, Greg Madden and Roger Macy are just a few names within the team that are backed by their previous experiences. After going through the company's details, the business, and the leadership team, it's important to look at the financials of the company. As I said, in the first and second stock of this portfolio, the first thing I will look at as stock's financials is their ability to earn revenue. In H2O Innovation's latest quarterly report, they did great. In terms of revenue, they earned $39.2 million in the first quarter of 2021. This is pretty impressive, but what makes it more outstanding is the yearly growth that they had from the previous year. They improved it by 8.6%. Next, I will look at their gross profit and their ability to increase it yearly. By comparing the first quarters of 2020 and 2021, I can see the gross profit margin has decreased a little bit from the previous year. The gross margin in terms of dollars is $11.1 million, with a slight decrease of 0.4% from the previous year. Hopefully by the next year they can continually earn revenue while keeping their gross profit margin higher. After looking at the gross profit margin, it will make sense for investors to look at the net profit in a company. Unfortunately for this company, they are a net loss currently. The net loss is currently at $9.1 million, which is twice as much as the year before. I'm hoping this can improve in the year to come. Lastly, we will look at the company's total cash on hand. This is important to look at because for most companies, cash on hand is incredibly important to deal with debt and current liabilities as it's much easier to liquidate. In H2O Innovation's case, their cash on hand is $13.1 million, which makes up a third of their total assets, which is a good thing for its company that deals with liabilities. My overall thoughts for H2O Innovation are optimistic. They're a company that focuses on solutions that are unique and innovative. They're still a growing company and have much to prove, especially on the financial side. One disclaimer that I want to give is that the opinions and views shared on my channel, Investing with Saran, are for informational and educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Most importantly, you should always do your own research before investing. But if you do want to invest in H2O Innovation after doing your own research and due diligence, I got good news for you. By using the link in the description or using the code QDSGTG, you'll be able to invest with Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple Trade is a commission-free trading platform with instant deposits. Plus, by using the code and depositing money into a non-registered personal account, you'll earn 2 random stocks worth up to $4,500. But with that information, join me on next video where I'll show you how to buy stocks on Wealthsimple Trade. If you guys want to join my dividend journey and learn some concepts of investing, punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. Remember to click that notification down below as well so you don't miss any of my videos. It's Mr. Saran, and join me next time on Investing with Saran. Bye for now.